take Prab now. Prab Nair. Got it. Okay, we go to the Prab's email ID. Prab, so sorry. This is the request. That's why I'm doing it. But yeah, they will love a lot. This is Prab Nair 02 Pro, Prab Nair third.
So when you're talking about AI and ML,
Okay.
before
Now he started this. I want to convert it into a document. I'll copy the link. Okay. Now when I copy the link and I'll go to my notebook LM. No other tool has that capacity to do that except notebook LM. First thing. Now I'll click to the new notebook. I'll make it that now I'll go to my resources. Just a minute, guys. Sorry. I'll now have the sources from the YouTube. I'll put it here. I'll insert and I'll rename it AI governance. AI governance. It's ready now. Now understand. You want to convert in what? Book. This into a book for me. Team, I think we have messed the art of writing, that is prompt, because we were so much into tool today. Please make sure we have to cover that part as well, because then you get to know how to write effective prompt. Even these tools are actually self-prompting right now, all of them, but you will get to know. I hope it is important, guys, learning about prompt and prompt engineering. But before I wanted that to go to prompt, I wanted you to learn about the tools, so that if you have an idea of the tool, then you get to know how to talk the tool in right way later down the line, because then you get to understand the differentiate. Okay, and that's the last week when you generated this information, it was giving very vague output, but now it is giving very defined output. Your information is ready. And now you wanted to make a note of it. Just click on the reports. Create its own briefing in documents. It will now brief in documents. Now I think Manish should understand Hindi also. Let's make it into Hindi intro. So now it is doing two things for you. Okay, you have done the presentations. Now let's play one more thing. That's called flashcard. I want to take a separate training on NotebookLM, guys, because this is the tool which you all are going to use on day-to-day basis for most of your tasks. So that is why I've kept it separately for entirely for 1 hour session on this as well in this course. But since we have been getting the questions, so I just give a cover to that as well. By the time it will generate, Manish, we can see all of those things. You can do it, no problem. See, it is all here. And you can now share it into the copy. But the game is not over here. The real game start after this. When I do control all, and if I do control all, now I can do a lot of things in this. I can add comments, I can add suggestions, but it doesn't end here only. If you want, you can change these tables with the help of refines. Let me show you how. It is so long, so big. I don't want to read, because Rahul has been yesterday telling about the way he uses Gemini. It's very good. But now when I click the entire document, I can talk to Gemini to refine this. In how many ways? Rephrase, shorten, elaborate, and more formal. I want to get shorten. You can show me. You can show so many AI tools. After the couple of days we'll forget. Nizam, you will not at all. I'll tell you, this is the file which will be shared with all of you. I mean, this is what I'm preparing for you guys only. I mean, on the real-time basis, I'm creating with the notes because yesterday also I have kept the note, what we have discussed. You getting all of these, so the tool wise, for which category you can use, which tool handles we are discussing, elements of Gen AI, basis of once the completion is done, you will have everything out in your hand. And I'll also ask Saksham to share you the handbook of last 2 days. You can see that as well. Go back to LM, I'm here, I was here. And now I was on the document part here, right? Your refined document is ready. You just have to insert it. And I think Manish, your part is done. Your document is ready. You want to add image in this, you can add image in this. You can to make your own document, you can make it your own document as well. Okay. Anything else, Manish, you wanted to make it more refined on this? Let's understand, perhaps speaking in Hindi, the same topic.
This is the brief on the foundations and principles of trustworthy
Okay,
AI.
I have not.
You know, AI is meant to help us.
My bad. I have taken it in the English only. I didn't made it into Hindi language. So that is what I'm saying to you. Maybe sometime you can switch any language you want to learn, you can learn in the real-time language. Maybe you're not able to understand English, you can understand in Hindi. We have a flashcard. Let everyone help me doing this. This is a good thing. What is the fundamental definition of artificial intelligence as described in the source material? You can click on the flashcard and you can see what he has said that. You go to the next flashcard. This is a small test prep for you. It can help you to do that for your own topic as well. And with this, there is an amazing feature. We will talk in detail about this. Anything you are doing under the umbrella of Google, you will get it in your hand. That's the advantage they give. Rest, nobody gives that much of advantage. That is the only caveat other people are having. You can download any of them. Click on download on them. Flashcard, click and download on them. Pro functionality is, I'll also explain the difference between all the products having free feature and pro feature. Pro only helps you to integrate in workspace. Now you can separately use these tools, but you cannot integrate in workspace. While share, if I click add the rate here, if you see, it will allow me to connect a lot of other tools here, files and informations. That will not be part of pro feature. That is a part of pro feature, which allows you to go to workspace. Okay. And that when you guys learn about workspace AI, now you will get to know about these differences. That specific workspace AI use pro features. Okay.